Creating Wealth with AI Videos, a 5-minute guide. In the ever-evolving digital world, leveraging AI to create videos is an innovative way to generate income. Here's a step-by-step narrative on how to ace this strategy. Hook. Every aspiring content creator dreams about it, but few truly talk about it, making money by creating AI videos. Imagine starting a YouTube channel where your videos attract people's attention. Why not explore it today? Step 2. Content script creation. Once the topic is finalized, create a script. Pretend you're telling a story. Keep it engaging, informative, and relatable. The script is the backbone of your video. Step 4. Video creation using AI. Feed your script into your chosen AI tool. The AI will parse your text, pair it with relevant scenes, stock footage, and even provide voiceover options. Be attentive to fine-tune the AI's suggestions for the personal touch. Step 5. Channel branding. Create a YouTube channel if you haven't already. Customize it with a unique name and a captivating description of what your channel offers. Brand consistency is key. Step 7. Promotion and engagement. Finally, promote your video across social media platforms. Engage with commenters on your video to build a loyal community. Respond to feedback positively to enhance viewer retention. Conclusion. With AI tools simplifying the video creation process, making money on YouTube becomes a feasible dream. Start today, engage creatively, and let technology pave your path to success in video creation. Using AI to create videos not only saves time, but also opens a world of creative possibilities. Best of all, as your skills and audience grow, so can your earnings.